Hey everybody, this is Owen's project. This was our final exam and he made this awesome castle. He even put the princess in a cage and he put a crown on the sweet little king. This is our amazing, fantastic Flower Edition project. This is done using the Tinkercad duplicate command. The only problem is this did not post well on the phone, so I have no audio, and I also have no name for who it was that created it. They did a fantastic job using duplicate, adding the flowers, and then you can put the sweet centers in the flowers. As you can see right there, it also has the amazing leaves that were created with the cylinder, but then stretched out to look the way they're supposed to. The one on the left is flat, and the one on the right, we use sweet textures.
Mr. Harmon's 5th hour, and I made a Spongebob army. Rows of probably 20-some, 30-some Spongebob each. It took me a long time just to make the first Spongebob, but the duplicating got really laggy, so I can't really show myself turning the mouse. What I did for the duplicating was I just pressed Ctrl D and then move the first one back a little, and then just press Ctrl D a lot because it spaces it out the same distance every time. Watch and subscribe to HLModTech.
This is Michael, and I just finished up this motorcycle. I made it red, white, and black, and I have gray there too on the thingy right there, and yeah.
And we've got one more amazing castle by Owen, because they're just doggone fun to create. Check out that drawbridge.
Oh guys, we're going to Mastado. We won't be seeing this. 30 weeks. Look at that. That's such a beauty. That's crazy. Look at that. Nick, you vibing? I'm vibing, guys. This is so trippy.
Dog walks and sticks.